In this video, I'll be sharing with you the fastest way which you can send money to your Mexican bank account. So to achieve this, we'll be using Remitly. Even though I'm using the website, you can download the mobile app, right? So once you're on Remitly, you're going to choose your sending country, and then you're going to select the country that you're sending money to. Then you're going to select sign up. Provide your email address and password to create your account, right? Now I already have an account, so I'm going to log in and show you the rest of the steps. Now once you're in the app or the website, select send money. Select a recipient to send money to. In your case, you're going to be adding a new recipient. So you can send the money to yourself or another individual. Enter the amount that you want to send. Now the delivery method is the important part. So you're going to select bank or debit card deposit. Then select. For the payment option, select 1. It shows the estimated fee and how much will be sent. Now select continue. Now here's where you're going to choose the bank that you want to deposit the money to. So if you select BBVA Bancomer, you'll be asked to provide the debit card number. So once you provide the debit card number and select continue, it will show you a summary of the transaction. Now I'm going to switch over to my Jamaican information to show you how fast this will be delivered to your bank account. So I've just selected my Jamaican information, and here's a summary of the transfer. So the money will be available by Monday, August 12 at 10:53. Now let's check the time. 10:48. So literally within 5 minutes the money will be deposited to my bank account. So I'm going to scroll down and select send. The transaction is processing and the money has been delivered. So let's log into my local bank account and check. The same will work for you. So it's now 10:49, and as you can see, the money was deposited. Now this was the time it was deposited. Jamaica is 1 hour behind, so it's 10:51 here. So it would be 9:51 in Jamaica. Now let's look at the time the money was sent. Let's view receipt. 9:59 here as well. So this is the fastest way you can send money to your country. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.